can't believe I found something. I got to take up so much pixels.
If you've got a kid that's constantly trying to look under furniture, inside random little objects, or explore outside, and you want to encourage their curiosity, this little toy is so much fun. It's super easy to start using, and the camera shows everything directly on the screen while they move it around, so it instantly turns into a little exploration activity. The built-in light helps a lot in darker spaces, and the flexible camera makes it easy to move into spots kids normally can't see. The picture is also clear enough to actually tell what they're looking at.
Whoa, do you see that?
Yeah,
What are those?
I have no idea.
There are like a ton of bugs in there, dude.
I found something, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna take a picture, alright?
Take a picture.
This is one of those toys that keeps kids curious the whole time because they're constantly looking for new things to explore around the house or outside. It feels lightweight enough for kids to carry around easily, and if yours includes the storage case, it helps keep everything together between uses. So if you've got a kid that loves exploring, this is such a fun gift idea, and it's a lot more interactive than most typical toys.